Welcome to Master Your Life. This channel is all about learning the skills schools don't always teach, like managing money, staying safe, and building independence. Each video is made for educational purposes, giving you general information you can use in everyday life. We're not here to replace professional advice, but to help you feel confident, informed, and ready to take on the real world. Let's get started. Let's test what you've learned so far with a quick money quiz. Don't worry, I'll give the answers after each question so you can check your thinking. Question 1. You get an email that looks like it's from your bank. It asks you to click a link and log in to confirm your account. What should you do? The correct answer is never click the link. Go directly to your bank's website or call their number. That way, you know it's real. Question 2. You want to buy something online for $20? You have the cash in your checking account, but you also have a credit card. Which should you use? The best choice is your debit card. It spends your own money right away and avoids adding credit card debt for small purchases. Question 3. You notice a $5 charge on your account that you don't remember making. What's the right step? The answer is report it to your bank immediately. Small charges can be the first sign of fraud. Question 4. You get paid from your job. What's the smartest habit you can set up right away? Answer: automatic savings. Moving even a small amount into savings every payday helps your money grow in the background. And finally, question 5. You lose your debit card at the store. What should you do first? Answer: contact your bank right away to freeze the card. That prevents anyone else from using it. How did you do? Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect. It's to practice safe habits and build confidence. The more you think through these situations, the easier it becomes to make the right choice in real life.